Most slides fail for one reason. They try to say everything at once. In this video, I'll show you the simple step-by-step way to create a professional slide for any topic and what to avoid. Step 1. Decide the one message for your slide. If your slide has more than one main message, split it into 2 slides. Remember, one message per slide keeps your audience focused. Step 2. Choose a clean layout. The easiest professional layouts are title and 3 bullets, or title and 1 strong image. You can also use a title with a big number or a simple problem versus solution comparison. Whatever you do, avoid throwing random boxes everywhere. Step 3. Keep text short. We recommend the 6x6 rule. No more than 6 bullets and no more than 6 words per bullet. Your slide is just a guide. You are the primary speaker. Step 4. Make it readable. Stick to 1 or 2 fonts only. Titles should be big, and body text should be large enough to read from the back. If they can't read it, they won't remember it. Step 5. Use color with control. Stick to 2 or 3 colors max. Use 1 highlight color for your keywords and ensure strong contrast. Avoid neon text or using too many different colors that distract. Step 6. Use visuals that support your message. Use 1 strong image or simple icons that share the same style. Avoid blurry images or mixing different icon styles on one page. Step 7. Spacing. White space makes your slide look professional. Don't push text to the edges. Keep even spacing between items. Give your content room to breathe. Before you present, do a final check. If it looks busy, remove something. Check for one message, short text, and consistent, readable fonts. Ensure limited colors, quality visuals, and clean spacing. That's how you create professional slides for any topic. If you want, I can also give you practice templates and sample slides to copy.